Welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going how to save data on Instagram. So all you have to do is to log in onto your Instagram account. You click on the icon down there at the top, or at the down right, you can see icon. So you click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to, you can see this. So you click on the three button at the top right of screen. So once you click on the three button, then it's going to take you to, you can see. So you scroll down, you scroll down to seller data. So here you have to click on seller, and here you have to use less data. So once you click on this thing, your Instagram starts using data than the normal one. So ensure you subscribe to this channel and like the video. You can also comment if you have any question or you want to just share your view. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.